You've been lied to. The reason you're not making $2,000 a month yet, you're in the wrong niche. Most people waste time chasing saturated ideas or trends that fade in a week. But what if I told you there are 5 niches right now, proven, untapped, and ready to explode, that can make you $2,000 a month or more? In this video, I'm breaking down these 5 power niches, showing you how to dominate them and how you can get started today, even if you have no experience. Now, before we dive in, let me make one thing clear. The methods I'm about to share are game-changing. These aren't your typical start a YouTube channel tips. We're talking about leveraging some of the most lucrative niches that people are quietly crushing it with. You'll want to stay till the end because the final niche I'll reveal is a gold mine, one that's responsible for some of the fastest growing channels on YouTube. But first, let's start with a niche that's practical, high demand, and easy to break into, even for beginners. Niche 1, health and fitness. Everyone wants to get in shape, lose weight, or live healthier. This niche is a giant, and for good reason. With YouTube automation, you can create faceless videos around workout routines, healthy eating hacks, or even reviewing fitness gadgets. The best part? There's a constant audience looking for this content, and affiliate deals for fitness products can stack your earnings like crazy. Advertisers in the health and fitness space are willing to pay top dollar for targeted ads. Why? Because they know the audience is primed to buy. The average CPM here can range from $10 to $25, depending on the region and type of content. That means even a few thousand views can bring in solid revenue, especially if you're combining ad income with affiliate marketing for products like supplements, workout gear, or meal plans. But maybe fitness isn't your thing. Don't worry. There's another niche that's perfect for those who want to tap into people's wanderlust. Niche 2, travel. Travel is a niche that prints money. Why? Because everyone dreams of traveling, and advertisers know it. Airlines, hotel chains, and travel gear companies will throw cash to get in front of your audience. With CPMs ranging from $12 to $30, this niche is a no-brainer. Here's a simple example. Let's say you want to create a video about 5 cheap destinations for 2025. You don't need to leave your house or spend $1 on travel footage. Download free stock videos from platforms like Pexels or Pixabay. Use 11 Labs to generate high-quality voiceovers and rely on ChatGPT to craft engaging scripts in minutes. For editing, stick with CapCut. It's free, easy to use, and gets the job done perfectly. If that feels too complicated, you can try InVideo for quick, AI-powered video creation. However, I wouldn't recommend it unless you have the premium version. Otherwise, your videos will be cluttered with watermarks. Within minutes, you've got a YouTube-worthy video ready to upload. You can also boost your earnings by including affiliate links for travel deals or gear in your description. The result? A fully automated income stream that works while you sleep. But if travel isn't your vibe, don't worry. The next niche is perfect for anyone who's serious about money. Niche 3, personal finance. Let's dive into one of the most lucrative niches on YouTube, personal finance. This niche isn't just about money. It's about showing people how to take control of their finances, and trust me, it pays well. Advertisers love channels in this space because viewers are actively looking for solutions to grow their wealth, save money, or invest wisely. Here's the strategy. Start with topics like how to save $10,000 in a year, beginner's guide to investing, or side hustles that pay big in 2025. These are evergreen topics, always relevant and always in demand. Use ChatGPT to generate scripts for these ideas. Pair those with free stock footage of cash stacks, office setups, or even charts and graphs from platforms like Pexels. And here's the kicker. Personal finance has some of the highest CPMs on YouTube because advertisers like banks, credit card companies, and investment platforms will pay top dollar to reach this audience. That means fewer views can still mean big earnings. Pro tip, create a series like Money Challenges or Investment Myths Busted. Not only does it hook viewers, but it also keeps them coming back for more, which boosts your watch time and your revenue. Niche 4, educational content. You've probably heard the term evergreen content thrown around. What does it mean? It's content that never goes out of style. People will always want to learn English. And here's the kicker. The CPM in this niche averages between $15 and $20. That's massive compared to other niches like gaming or lifestyle. Imagine this. A mother in Brazil wants her 12-year-old to learn English for better job opportunities. Or a professional in Japan needs to brush up on business English to nail their next meeting. This niche solves real-world problems, and that's why advertisers are willing to pay top dollar to get in front of this audience. The demand is global. English is the universal language, and there are millions, scratch that, billions of non-native speakers who want to learn it. How to start teaching English on YouTube. Research topics with proven demand with the AI. Trending topics with proven demand, like common English phrases for travel, 10 must-know grammar, rules for beginners, how to sound professional in business English. Pro tip, stick to keywords with medium search volume but low competition. You don't need to reinvent the wheel here. Script your content, the easy way. You don't need to sit down for hours writing. Use ChatGPT to generate scripts. For example, type, write a script for a 5-minute YouTube video on basic English greetings. Create a beginner's guide to English pronunciation. Pro tip, keep it simple. Your audience likely doesn't have advanced English skills yet. Clarity is key. After that, follow these steps. Record your voiceover with 11 Labs or use text-to-speech if you're camera shy. Pair it with visuals from free stock sites like Pexels or even Canva templates for a clean, professional look. Edit everything in CapCut or DaVinci Resolve. It's free and beginner-friendly. Now brace yourself. You're about to uncover a game-changing hidden niche. Niche 5, Celebrity. Let me be real with you. Celebrity content on YouTube is an untapped goldmine. People are obsessed with fame, wild stories, and larger-than-life personalities. You don't have to reinvent the wheel here. Just tap into what's already pulling millions of views. The trick is simple. Use transformative content. Don't just slap together a basic re-upload. YouTube will chew that up and spit it out. Instead, offer unique commentary, analysis, or fresh takes that viewers can't find anywhere else. Break down their success, predict what's coming next, or critique their wild moves. Here's a pro move. Use short clips. Keep them under 20 seconds, and don't rely on key scenes or star moments. Crop the footage, zoom in, throw in text overlays, or mess with the audio just enough to make it your own. The key? Make it transformative so bots and copyright claims don't get in your way. And if you're thinking, but I'm new to this, don't sweat it. You don't have to be a genius, you just have to be a copycat with style. Find what the big players are doing and replicate it with your twist. These guys have already cracked the code, your job is just to follow the blueprint. Now let's talk CPM. Yeah, it's not the highest, floating between $3 to $6, but here's the thing. The sheer number of views makes up for it. When you're pulling hundreds of thousands or even millions of views, that so-called low CPM starts stacking up fast. So don't overthink it. Keep your edits clean, your clips sharp, and your game consistent. Stay focused, execute, and I'll see you dominating.